So I'm here in the gardens area of East Palo Alto, and this is a pretty good representation of what it's like here. Most of the homes built in this neighborhood are built as 3-bedroom, 1-baths on about a 5,000 to 6,000 square foot lot. You do have some 2-1s and some people that did some additions, but those are kind of the exception rather than the rule. So this is an example of what about $800,000 list price gets you here in East Palo Alto. This home is listed at $799, and you can see that there is a wall here, and a lot of people open up this wall to make the kitchen just feel a little bit more like an open floor plan. Generally speaking, I don't know if this home has it, but a lot of the homes have hardwood, original hardwood under here, and a good way to tell is you can look in the closet, and if it has hardwood, there's a good chance that it carries out through here. Bathroom here, pretty standard. They all look the exact same layout. And I have seen people push this space into the garage because this is where the garage is. So sometimes you can move this wall in a bit and you still have enough room for parking. And you can create a separate bathroom and closet in this space as well. I think this price is about right for this home. I mean, I think it'd probably go for a little bit more depending on the market at the time, but it's about right because it needs new windows, kind of a bit of work that needs to be done to it as well.